Welcome hunters for the third edition for the trading course with me, Trading Jesus. And as I promised you guys, have to do this day, not daily but weekly, and this is the third episode. And today we're gonna talk about the major things happening for most retail trader, and which is freezing while trading when the market go against you. So this is really important. I'm gonna note all the things we have to do to prevent this from happening in the first place, because this will make you lose a lot of money. So before we go in the video and see with the chart and with examples, please like, come subscribe to my channel, daily video with me, Trading Jesus, and check my Patreon if you are interested in coaching one-on-one to know how to trade like me exactly, and we show you how to hunt exactly for the price value like insiders and market makers do. So without further ado, let's go and see the chart, shall we? And let's go and see our example for today. Let's take Microvision, and a lot of you guys ask me about reviewing this stock, so I'm doing it in both ways, reviewing and at the same time taking examples for our course today. So by looking at the chart now is naked, there's no technical, just our execution average, and as you can see here, without any without drawing any support, our resistance, this is really hard to see how to trade, and you panicking the moment the price will go against you. So let's take this example here and close up and look with me guys closely. This is really important. So at beginning of February, we can see the price went from 10 until almost all-time high at 24. Yeah, so now let's go back in time and imagine that we've been trading, let's say, like let's do it without go back in time, and we are on 29th of January, and we see the price like this. What you're gonna do? Like, you don't buy and you say like, this is all-time high, I don't want to buy, and now it's 15, let me wait to make sure. Then the price actually go until 23, then you buy at 22 something here. This is the most timed scenario that happened to a lot of people. They don't buy here the moment of the breakout here at 10. No, they buy around the 21 here. And guess what happened after? Boom, the price keep going down. See with me. So if you don't have a strategy and you see the price when you buy at 22 and just in a few days coming back to 14, you almost lost your money. Almost, let's say you lost almost 30% of your money. So if you don't have a strategy and you'll be panicking and you freeze here, you don't even cut your losses, and you don't know, because as in the stock market we speculate and at the same time do a risk management. So if you just jump in without knowing where's the key area, the key level of our stock, and where you why you took the trade, and where your profit target, and where you stop limit target, if you're day trader or swing trader. So the idea is never buy when the prices went up, but hunt for the price, wait for the price to consolidate, then you buy, so you can protect yourself. If you buy at the at the gap here, you don't know how you set your stop loss. So this is my first thing: never jump when the price already gone up, because as we can see here for this example, the price went down, and if you don't have a strategy to go out, you just panic and you just hold, and you don't know when you want to sell. Then when you sell here when the price go to 10, because you lose almost half half your money. You bought at 21 and you sell almost at 10 because it's too much. It's too late. When you know that you want to go out, it's too late, you know. So the best idea is never jump when the price went up, and instead have first draw your support line, your resistance line, know when you get out, know your limit for risking each trade, how much you're gonna risk. So let's go to our example, and guess what? Like usually, that's what happened. You buy at the top and you sell at the bottom because you don't know and you don't have a stop loss, and you freeze at the top here, and you see the chart went back the other way. Then you sell here. So if you just hold, the price actually consolidate, and the best price to actually buy for microvision is around this level that we trading in at $15. This is the price value for microvision actually. Let's do the trend line here, and this is the actually the price value for microvision. We always visited this line. So if you bought at the 15, you almost guarantee that you almost make back your money, and you gain at least you be in green more than red, because this is where the wave of the market or where the market always consolidate, and where the buyer and selling always agreeing about this price. That's why we can see the $15 almost every time for microvision. And as I told you guys, the moment that you don't have a strategy, you're gonna sell at here down, and if you don't know the price value for our stock, you'll never be ready to hunt for it, and you sell before, and you don't know, because if we don't have the chart, as in reality, we can't see the future. So the idea is, draw your line, the support and resistance line, draw the key price value for our stock. So even it went your way, you can average down here, or you sell a bit here because the market is trending down. You sell even at the 20 or at 19, you cut your losses, you just take 5% loss, then you buy at the price value. Is here you save a lot of your money, at the same time is a good average of your long holder. So this is the perfect way to never freeze. You have to draw your support and resistance line before you get in. You have to have a strategy. You have to put a keynote in front of your desk, and you put some key level or prices that you want to buy at, and you sell at. You have to write it down. If you don't write it down, your emotion will be mixed, and you can take decision when the moment is right. You be frozen, like a lot of my students actually told me, and this is really bad because you can't act. Just take the example in your real life. If by any chance you saw any company, airline companies, car manufacturers, they never sell you anything without precautions with it. But you see, what's called your airbags and seat belts and everything. You have to take precautions. Even there's no accident, you have to take precautions, because you never know. It's even at the stock market, guys. If you know, stock market is really dangerous. So if you don't protect yourself, you're gonna wreck yourself. This is simple as that. And I don't want to be the bringer of bad news, but this is the reality. You have to have a risk management. And let's go back again for microvision. As we can see, we can draw our support line around this area. This is perfect looking chart, guys. Really perfect looking chart. We can see it's holding above the 10 almost every time, and the price value for microvision is at 15. So I will put my notification or microvision at 10.36 because this is the right price. If we just dipped below, I will just get out because I'm wrong. If it dipped at 9, this means we're gonna go to see the 5. So this is really important. Let's take this example. So now the price actually now been selling off after we do all-time high for microvision here, right? So the price hit major selling pressure around this area, now went exactly at our price value at 15. So now what we can see here, if we by Monday we don't hold this line above, let's say above the 13.43, there is a big chance that we go again to the $10. That's why I'm putting my notification. There's a chance that we're gonna see visit to the 10. Here I will buy because this is the right price for microvision. If it dipped even to 9, I will sell even with just 5% loss because I know the price will go to 5. Simple as that. When you have a strategy, you can't just boom, you just buy here, sell here, you take a loss a bit, 5%, but you recover because you buy it at this really good price at the downside. So you buy with the market maker. Market maker never try to buy any assets without knowing they bought it at the right price. So never buy any stock on the way up, or it did like 1000%, 500%. Never do that because there's 99% chance that the price will tumble down, and this is really hard to recover from and happen to a lot of people. They just buy and feel FOMO, then boom, there's no strategy they don't have a strategy, they don't have exit plan, they just hold the bag. And this is really, you lose a lot of opportunity to make money at the time that you holding this stock for God knows how long, for I don't know. So the idea is we don't know. So the best idea, if you don't want to hold bags, or if you don't want your money sitting for years, if you're not long holder, of course a lot of people want money right now. Even if you're long investor, nobody, let's be honest, you want your money to grow fast as possible. So why if you know that there another investment will give you at least like a gain in short term, like for 1 month, 2 months, why are you holding this stock for 5 years? Of course, because you don't know, but you believe in this stock will grow. So this is the most important thing. Define yourself. If you're a long holder, even it's down 50%, stay at it. Okay, by all means, if you do your due diligence. But you should sell and take a bit of profit in order to average down. This is if you don't have a lot of money to average down. Most of people just work a 9-to-5 job, so I'm giving them this opportunity, not just hold, but you sell a bit of profit. When we hit all-time high, we hit resistance, you just take a bit of your invested money, you sell it in order to buy in the other dip. So this is my other strategy for for people who don't have a lot of money to invest every time, but they just take from the money invested and the gain they did with the stock they hold, and just buy at the dip again. So guys, if you like the video, as I always told you guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to do the 4th episode next week. So if you like this video, comment below if you have any question. I will be more happy to answer you guys. I will be more happy to answer you. So without further ado, see you guys in the next video, and until next time, don't buy at all-time high. There's another options, and there are another opportunities, so don't do that. And see you guys in the next update. See you guys.